When your Anker charging station shows a blinking green light, it's communicating important information about its current status. Understanding what this light means is the first step to resolving any charging issues. The blinking green light typically indicates one of 5 different states. Each state provides specific information about what's happening with your charging station. Standby mode, ready to charge, no device detected. Foreign object detection, metal objects or debris detected. Temperature protection, overheating protection activated. Power fluctuation, inconsistent power supply issues. Device misalignment, poor positioning on charging pad. Anker charging stations use advanced Qi wireless charging technology enhanced with proprietary features. Power IQ automatically detects the optimal charging speed for your device, while Multi-Protect provides comprehensive safety protection. These advanced features work together to provide intelligent power delivery, comprehensive safety protection, and universal device compatibility. Understanding these technologies helps explain why the green light behaves as it does. Understanding what the blinking green light means is essential for effective troubleshooting. By recognizing these signals, you can quickly identify the root cause and apply the correct solution, ensuring optimal charging performance for your devices. First, ensure your device is properly positioned on the charging pad. The device should be centered over the charging coil for optimal connection. Next, check for foreign objects that might interfere with charging. Metal items, credit cards, or magnetic accessories can trigger the foreign object detection system. Verify you're using the correct power adapter. Anker recommends using the original adapter with at least 18 watts of power output for optimal performance. If overheating is suspected, allow the charging station to cool down. Move it to a well-ventilated area away from direct sunlight or heat sources. For persistent issues, check for firmware updates through the Anker app. You can also try resetting the charging station by unplugging it for 30 seconds. If problems persist after following these troubleshooting steps, contact Anker support. This is especially important if your device is still under warranty coverage. Following these systematic troubleshooting steps resolves most blinking green light issues. Most problems stem from positioning, foreign objects, or power supply issues rather than hardware failures.